Hey guys, welcome to Old Bearded Cars Workshop. Well, finally got the cement mixer finally done. Well, what a project this thing was. So, an Autocar truck. One of my favorites. I actually do really like Autocar trucks. They're heavy duty looking trucks. I always like them. Yeah. So, I didn't have a whole lot to go by on this truck here, on this picture. Just had one little picture and had to basically do the rest. And you know, basically looking at the picture, zoom in on it real good, and looking and also comparing to the international cement mixer too that I had shown. So anyways, yeah, so it's kind of cool. And it has a generator, like a separate motor to power it. It's in here. There's a fuel tank, and here's another water tank, and it injects water into a tank here to keep the cement moist. Powered by a dry shaft that goes through there. Probably can't see it. And there's a differential here, and it comes to here. There's a chain in there, and the big sprocket that turns the whole drum. There's some pulleys here on the end to support it. When it's loaded, it'd probably come down, and it would it'd ride right on those. Big apparatus here, and it comes up here, and you go to the plant, and the cement to be poured from the top and go in the tank, right? Ladder back in there. There's a chute. Some extra chutes there. They got extended out. So it's all kind of weathered, sort of. So anyway, and turn around and see what you guys think. There you go. So you get a ladder to get up there to check out how much, if there's anything in there like plugging it up or whatever. So yeah, good project for sure. So that's pretty much it for that. This one I'm going to put on the shelf and color done. So yeah, there's the dolly truck. Give me a little pintle hitch. You see that or not? Camera probably won't pick up the detail because it's just a crappy camera. So anyway, alrighty. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and there'll be another project coming up soon. Probably that one in the back. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.